Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up ledger fishing. First, slide your ledger weight onto your main line, ensuring it can move freely. Next, tie a swivel to the end of your main line, which will stop line twist. Then, attach a leader line, usually about 1 to 3 feet in length, to the other side of the swivel. Finally, secure your fishing hook to the end of this leader. Selecting the right weight and line is crucial for success. Your ledger weight should be heavy enough to hold the bottom against current, but not so heavy it spooks fish. The main line's breaking strain should be appropriate for the size of fish you expect to catch. For the leader, choose a line with a slightly lower breaking strain than your main line, and consider fluorocarbon for its excellent invisibility. Now, let's talk about the hook and bait. Pick a hook size that perfectly matches your chosen bait, allowing for good presentation. Always tie a strong, tested knot to ensure your hook stays secure. When baiting, thread your bait onto the hook so the point is well hidden, making it look as natural and enticing as possible to passing fish. Finally, let's cover casting and presentation. Cast your rig with a smooth, gentle motion to prevent your bait from flying off. Once it lands, allow the ledger weight to settle firmly on the bottom. Keep a slight amount of slack in your line. This helps with bite detection as fish often pick up bait without strong pulls. Stay vigilant for any subtle movements.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.